Do you use checkboxes in Excel? Today, I'll show you how to use a checkbox to create a simple to-do list in Excel, just like this. If you are yet to subscribe, please support this channel by clicking the subscribe button now. First step, insert a checkbox from the Developer tab. If you don't have the Developer tab, go to Excel Options. Just right-click anywhere on the ribbon, select Customize Ribbon. Right here, select Main Tabs, then scroll down and check the box for the Developer tab. Then you click OK. So back to the Developer tab, click on Insert and select Checkbox under Form Controls. Let's place it right here in B4. And next, click inside the box and delete the text. Then click outside the box. To select the checkbox without activating the check mark, you have to right-click like this. Now, the checkbox isn't useful unless it is linked to a cell. To link it to a cell, right-click and select Format Control. The checkbox is unchecked. That's why this option is active. Next, click inside this bar and link the checkbox to cell A4. You can type A4 manually or click cell A4. OK. When you check the box, cell A4 will display true, and when you uncheck it, it will display false. Cool, right? Now let's create the to-do list. Highlight cells C3 to D3. Fill it with any color. I'll go with purple. This will be details and this status. Next, let's add borders to cell C4 to D4. Under the Home tab, select the drop-down option for borders. Scroll down and select purple for the line color. Click on it again and select all borders. I have to make dinner today. Next, you can use the if statement to track the status of the task by linking the formula to cell A4. So if A4 equals true, then display completed. It is a text, so you have to wrap it in quotes. If it is false, display outstanding. Enter. Let's test it. Fantastic. Now we can copy to create additional rows. Select the entire row, Ctrl+C to copy. Next, highlight 4 rows and Ctrl+V to paste. All formats have been pasted. However, you have to remember that the checkbox we copied is linked to cell A4. So all these are linked to cell A4. To change that, all you have to do is right-click on each box and edit the cell link through Format Control. Now, a faster way would be to change it right here in the Formula tab. So I'll right-click to select each box and change the cell link. Cool, let's test them. Great, they work fine. Now, if you ever need to delete all the checkboxes, you can right-click and press Ctrl+A, and all the boxes will be highlighted, and then you can delete. Next, it will be nice to have a cell showing the percentage of completed tasks, and you can use the COUNTIF function to calculate that. The COUNTIF function counts the number of cells that meet a condition. If you want to know more about the COUNTIF function, the link to the video is in the description box below. So to calculate the percentage of tasks completed, COUNTIF, select the range, the criteria completed should be in quotes. Next, we need to divide this by the total number of cells, and you can use the COUNTIF function with the not equal to operator. However, I will use the counter function, which counts the number of cells that are not empty. There. Let's remove the grid lines. Go to view and uncheck grid lines. Beautiful. Now I don't want the true or false to show here, so I'll just change the font to white. Cool. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.